So what's up, guys? We are at it today. My previous video I posted about market structuring, how to trade with the trend, market structure, and on today's video, actually, what I'm trying to do is bring trading content to the general public. So on my YouTube channel, I'll be creating free trading content, just like free course, complete trading course, right from retail strategy to ICT strategy, and I know you guys don't want to miss out. So do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button. I'm new to YouTube, so I'll be doing this as my obligation to my subscribers, because I owe you guys a lot. So let's dive into it. Actually, I'm on this trade here. So let's dive into the topic of today. So I'll tell you guys how I got this trade. So today we're talking about support and resistance. And what is support? What is the support? What is the support? What is the support? What is the support? Support, dictionary meaning. Support is what prevents something from falling. That's support. What prevents something from falling. That's support. What prevents something from falling. Something from falling. That's support. Anything that prevents something from falling is known as a support. It's known as a support. Anything that prevents something from falling is known as a support. And what's a resistance? A resistance is something that prevents something from going further or something from growing. So same is applicable to forex. There's no other definition for this. That's the way it is in forex. So let's go to support. Let's say you're on a downtrend. I'll tell you guys the two types of supports you're likely to see in the forex market. We have the trending support. If you guys are with your pen, I guess you guys should be jotting some things down. We have the trending support and we have the static support. And I will explain this to you. So on the trending support, it is when the market is trending. Let's say the market is trending bearish. The market is trending bearish, and so on. Market is on a bearish trend. So we have this place to be a support. This place also to be a support. Why do we say this place to be a support? When the market was actually going down, something happened within this area that pushed this market upward. So that thing that happened within this area that pushed this market upward, if the market finally breaks out of this barrier here to mitigate the barrier and continue further, if you're conversant with your chart, you'll be seeing something like this. So this is the trending support. This is a support for the trend. The trending support, and vice versa. For the resistance, we also have the trending resistance, whereby when the market is trending upward, something happened within here that made the market to go downward. And when the market finally breaks off of this barrier, it mitigates it and continue further. So this is the trending support and resistance, and we are likely to find it in the charts. This is the trending support and resistance, and we are likely to find it in the market charts. So let's go to a live chart and let me show you what I mean. Sorry, let me show you guys what I mean. I should be seeing this chart, okay? So let me show you guys what I mean. Let me reset this thing so that let me show you guys. We can see here it happens almost everywhere in the FOREX market. You just have to train your eye to see it. We can see here price was actually going up. Okay, let me use my path to draw it. Price came down here, came down here, went up. Something happened here to push the price down. The price came down, finally breaks it. And what did the price do? The price came back to mitigate it and went up further. And the price again finally broke the static resistance point. And after breaking it, the price went up, came down to mitigate it again, and went up further to give you a few pips. This should be like 30 pips or 40 pips. Let me check on that. Let me check on that. That should be like 30 pips or 40 pips. So let me check on that from here. So this is even more than 30 pips. This is more than 30 pips. This is 135 pips. You're seeing it. This is 135 pips on the market, just with this support and resistance strategy I'm teaching you guys here. You're getting it now. Also here, price came in to mitigate, and you see here when price finally came down to break this place. When price finally came down to break this place, what did you see? Price came up to mitigate it, yeah, and dropped. So if you're to trade something like this, I would advise traders to go for a 1 to 3 weeks to reward. Though it can give you more than that, but to be conservative, you go for a 1 to 3 weeks to reward. And when the market has given you a 1 to 2 weeks to reward, you push your stop loss to break even. You don't want to lose money in the market. So this is for the trending support and resistance. I just showed you guys support and resistance here. This for the resistance, the price wanted to break here. This serving as a resistance. When the price came down here and finally breaks off of this resistance here, the price came back, mitigate the resistance, went up, and gave you 135 weeks to you. Sorry, 135 pips. Then the price came down, broke it, finally broke now the resistance has turned support. Now the price finally came again and broke the support, making the support turn to resistance. And when it broke the support, it came up again to mitigate it and dropped massively. And you can see after dropping, it broke another support area, which made me took this trade. Broke another support area, came back to mitigate the support area, and start dropping, and I jumped on the trade. This is my TP1 and this is my TP2. Hoping when the price gets here, I lock some profit. The price has gone down a 135 weeks. 135 pips. But I'm still on the trade. So this is my TP1. This is my TP2. Why do I take it as my TP1? Due to liquidity. I took it as my TP1 due to liquidity because I know it will sweep all the liquidities. This is my TP2. So you can see that is for the trending support and resistance. Now I'm going to teach you guys on the static support and resistance. The static support and resistance. The static support or resistance is like this. This is the static support and resistance. So when you see a price bounce off from a particular area more than once, that place is a strong support or resistance. What you want to look out for at that particular place is the candle must not close below. 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 The wicks of the candle can actually go as far as they want, as long as they want. But for the fact the candle does not close below, then it is a support or a resistance area. And we'll get to the live chart and I'll show you also. That. So actually this trade, why I took this trade was not actually even because of this support that it broke. I had to take multiple confluences before taking this particular trade. Actually, I went on my daily time frame and I saw this. This was exactly why I took the trade. And I saw this. The price came, rejected it, went up, came again, rejected it the second time. Then I knew if price breaks up this zone, it will definitely mitigate it. So when I came, I saw this and I entered my trade, knowing fully whether it has given us a chart pattern, which we'll get to on the course of this, on the journey of this course. We'll get to chart patterns, we'll get to all the retail strategies, then switch to ICT. I have a grounded knowledge of the retail strategy and also a grounded knowledge of the ICT strategy. So you don't want to miss out from this free content. So that is it. This is a static support. Came here, rejected, came here, rejected. You can see the candle did not close below. But this one, when I saw that this particular candle here, this particular candle here closed below, I knew the market would retest it and continue, and which eventually happened. So generally on this trade, if this trade should hit my TP, it will be, my first TP, if it hits my first TP, it will be a 163 pips, and my second TP would be giving me 299 pips. If you know what this means, 299 pips. So that is it. So you can see that it works perfectly. Actually, on my mentorship group, I do tell them things which I'll tell you guys and I'll share with you guys here. I told them that when trading support and resistance, you want to stick to the higher time frame, the 4 hour and above. You don't want to stick to anything lower. You want to stick to the 4 hour and above. The only support and resistance you can stick to on a lower time frame is the trending support and resistance. You don't want to stick to the static support and resistance on a lower time frame. You don't want to do that. But on the trending support and resistance, you can stick to it on a lower time frame and remember I said get your 1 to 3 risk to reward, and you're out of the market. Don't be greedy. Except you want to scale up, you take partials. When you get your 1 to 3 risk to reward, you move your stop loss to break even and you take partials. So if you want to join my mentorship class, where I mentor you guys and give you guys free signals on how to trade, on my mentorship, my students are on this trade. I'm swing trading it. Some of them have left the trade, closed on profits. Some of them who are trading with emotions has closed, but I'm still on the trade. So that is just it. Want to join our mentorship? Click on the link below to join our Telegram channel. Then from there you can join our mentorship. So, and if you don't have money for the mentorship, you can as well enjoy the free content, the free premium content that I'm sharing to you guys here on this channel. Enjoy it, because this is a free premium content you can't see on any YouTube. They will only tell you support and resistance, but they can't tell you on how to use it to execute trades, things to look out for and everything, which I just told you guys here now. And sticking with this strategy alone, you should be making money from the market. You can see, let's not kid ourselves. Let's not kid ourselves. You can see, let's not kid ourselves. This is on the daily time frame. You can see, let's not kid ourselves. You can see, imagine you took all these trades, you should be swimming in money now. You can see, let's not kid ourselves. So you can see, let's not kid ourselves. Imagine all these trades. You can see. So you can see. So even if you go on a 4-hour time frame, you see all these things there. So you see all these things there on a 4-hour time frame. You see all these things there. You can see there's a broke out, came back, we tested it and dropped. Broke out of this place, came back, we tested it and dropped. Broke out of this place, came back, we tested it and dropped. You can see. So this is the best support and resistance video you would ever watch. So please, if you enjoy the content, like, share, subscribe, so you don't miss out for more content like this. Okay, thank you guys.